Creating a list. In Python, a list is a collection of items that are ordered and changeable. Lists are created by enclosing a comma-separated sequence of items inside square brackets. Accessing list items. You can access individual items of a list using their index number. The index of the first item in a list is 0, the second item has an index of 1, and so on. You can also access items from the end of the list using negative indexing. The last item in a list has an index of -1, the second last item has an index of -2, and so on. Here are some examples. Modifying list items. You can modify items of a list by assigning a new value to an item using its index. Here's an example. Adding items to a list. You can add items to a list using various methods. The most commonly used methods are append, extend, and insert. Here's an explanation of each method, along with examples. Append. The append method adds a single item to the end of a list. Extend. The extend method adds multiple items to the end of a list. You can pass another list as an argument to extend. Insert. The insert method inserts an item at a specific index in a list. Removing items from a list. You can remove items from a list using various methods. The most commonly used methods are remove, pop, and clear. Here's an explanation of each method, along with examples. Remove. The remove method removes the first occurrence of a specified item from a list. Clear. In Python, you can clear a list using the clear method. This method removes all the elements from the list, making it empty.